Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi A1 Plus, and let me share with you how to soft reset or force restart your device. So if you've got a situation that your device simply do not respond to your touches, it just freezes and you have no idea what to do because you cannot tap on anything, then a forced restart or a soft reset will help. And it's a really quick and easy operation because all you have to do is to simply press the power button, which is on the right side of your device, and press it and wait. Usually you will see the screen with the options, which will allow you to restart or simply turn off the device, but we will pretend that we cannot tap on them, so we will try to force restart it manually, and basically all you will see later on is a black screen and then the developer's logo, and your device will be restarted. So let's try to do it. Let me press the power button and hold it. We have to also ignore, of course, this Google Assistant, and this is the screen about which I've just told you. So we just pretended that we cannot tap on it, and I felt the vibration. You can see that right now we've got the developer's logo. So basically right now you have to simply wait until your device will be restarted, and I hope that it will work normally after that. So basically that's all. This is how to soft reset or force restart your Redmi A1S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.